on the road to six figures with me and my photo booth. But you don't have to have a photo booth in order to make six figures because you're doing your own business online. I'm going to show you how you can hit six figures, how you can get high ticket clients with these skills that I'm going to show you. This is all necessary in order to diversify your game and make you different from everybody out there. Okay, what am I using? I'm going to be using Manychat. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing with my photo booth business to hit six figures and how you can do the same thing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? Antonio Carter here, Agora Consulting, and this is me continuing on the track of showing you how to build, well, of me building my photo booth business, going for six figures. And one of the things that I'm doing is connecting my website to something called Manychat. With Manychat, this is a way to be in tune with your customer or whomever jumps on your website, and then is able to communicate via Facebook Messenger. You don't have to pay all this money in order to create some type of chat bot or anything like that. Uh, ManyChat has allowed us the opportunity for free to create these type of sequences so that the customer can have the power in order to step through a sequence of questions and become a more qualified buyer, because that's what we want. All right, I don't just want somebody calling my phone to reserve or ask questions and give a price quote without them going through a list of qualifying questions. Okay. I don't want them wasting my time. I don't want to waste their time. And so all of this, if somebody's willing to go through these questions, of which I'm going to show you here in a second, then they're serious. Then they want to talk with me. And it's much more easier for me to book a call with them or just simply book them for an event or something of that nature. So right here, ManyChat, the first thing, in order to start a ManyChat account, you need to go to manychat.com, just sign up for it, and it's going to ask you to connect it to a Facebook page. So the first thing that you need is a Facebook business page. What is that? We go to Facebook. And for those of you who've already been through this, please just, you know, be patient with me. I'm going to get in some in I'm going to get in the meat of things. That post kind of just make me pause for a second. And that's what people are supposed to do with your post. Make me pause and read it. All right. I have, I'm an administrator for a lot of different pages, right? Because, like I told you, I'm also a uh, business consultant. So I help run content for other individuals. But I created this one called Photobooth in Kansas City. That's the name of my website. That is the name of my business, my photo booth business. So I create that. If you don't have a page created on your laptop, you come here, you hit pages. On the left hand side, you can see this button that says create new page. Go ahead and click create new page. You type your name of your business here, and then it asks you for a category. Maybe I want to be a motivational speaker, so I type motivational speaker and it populated for me. And then you give a little bit about your business here. Makes sense, right? After you do that, let me exit out of that because I'm not creating another page. Then you go back over to manychat.com. Bang. And you can do this for any business, by the way. And your list of businesses would come up for me. Again, I have um, administrative for various different pages. I have some of my own, but you would hit create new account um, and hit connect, right? And then you would choose your Facebook business page. I'm not going to go through all of that because that's not what this video is about. So what I need is to go back over, let me close this. Right now, I'm creating a chatbot to get people to book my call. So just so I can show you what happens here, first, let me finish this. Boom. Okay. Let me see if I can preview this. Let me see if this specify a reply message button. Custom. need to open the website, and I need to go over here. You guys will see exactly what I'm doing here. Party, party. Right. Let's hit publish. Text must be less than 600. Let me pause this for a second, guys. Okay, had a couple of issues, but this is live, guys, so I don't even know what's gonna happen. But typically, when you land on a page, right, I need something to pop up. This is just a test. It's going to pop up in my messenger. Let's see what happens. Okay, so when I'm on a website, I think, because I've used Messenger within Facebook to send messages all the time, but not from a website. But this is just a test. This over here, and the first thing that's going to pop up is hopefully, on my website. I'm going to test this out. It says, "Hi, Antonio," because it puts your name there. "My name is Antonio, owner of Photobooth in Kansas City. Thanks for stopping by. I would love to speak with you to see how I can serve you." Typo there. What can I help you with? And what I need is somebody to tell me or give them the option of clicking these options here. They're either looking for custom packages when it comes to looking for my photo booth, price quotes, because typically what they want is not on my website, or they just simply want to call me for whatever reason and just get a quote on the price, or they have some other type of question. So if I hit custom packages, let's see what happens. Aha, it's working so far. They're hit with another message. "You'll be glad to know that I have a few options for you. I specialize in popular events, yada, yada, yada. I also have premium packages." And then I list a number of packages that I have on my website. So if I hit weddings, somebody's interested in weddings, then I give them some more stuff. And then I have a particular package called celebrity package. Probably going to be changing that name here pretty soon. And then I also have wedding options. So let's just go ahead and click wedding options, and it takes them over to the wedding options. Pretty cool, right? So this is phenomenal. And just as a quick example, here on the bottom right hand corner, you see a cart. The cart is a shopping cart, just in case somebody has something in their cart. They selected something from my pages here. Um, they selected one of my products. They want to get a box of assortments or something. They can hit the cart, select it. But just as this is a pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner, I need a pop-up of this messenger to come up on my website. And that's the full intent purposes of this, because you get all types of different customers, right? You have people like me who don't really use that type of thing. I love to navigate with the options up top, but everybody doesn't like that. Some people just like quick and dirty things, right? Do it faster. So what I'm going to do is add that here and see if it works. So I'm going to pause this video. Before I do that, um, well, let me go through maybe one more of the sequences here. Let's say I want the price quotes. I click price quotes. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. By the way, as this is happening, I'm going to get pinged on my phone, and it lets me know when a customer is on my website. So I can actually talk to the customer live. That's what's phenomenal about this. That's what's happening, guys. All right. Let's say I wanted to schedule a call because they clicked price quotes. So then within my text up here, I'm like, "Hey, did you check out the custom packages that I created? Because if they didn't even check out the custom packages, I'm not hopping on the phone with you just to waste my time. My time is precious, okay? I charge at least minimum $100 per hour to talk to me, all right? So let's go ahead and schedule a call. They click schedule a call and it goes straight to my Calendly website where they can book a time and a date to talk to me. It's a 10-minute conversation. Boom! This is phenomenal. We are in the practice of streamlining your business. This is what I do here at Agora Consulting. That's the type of power I provide. If you're interested in working with me, let me know. But this is not a business promotion. This is me showing you some of the things to make my business a six-figure business, and to work the least amount of time and use the least amount of effort. That's the idea here. Now, we published it already. Move this back over here. And what I want to do now is I need to move this. I need to grab the code. So this is called a growth tool, and I use what's called a slide in uh, thing there. Left hand side it says slide in. There's many different types of growth tools, and I'll get into that later. I'm just giving you a very quick overview. This is very easy, very simple, but a lot of people are intimidated by it. Let's see, set up your website. So I have to authorize my website. Come on now. Let's see what happens. Bang, bang. Next, this code allows Manychat. So we're just going to copy. Let's see, in fact, install it just once on the website and have unlimited fun. All right, so I'm going to rock with this bad boy. Let's go back over to our ClickFunnels page. If you don't have ClickFunnels, go ahead and download that right now. You get a free 14-day free trial with my link. Log in real quick. You get a free 14-day trial with my link to ClickFunnels. And I also give you some bonuses, okay? So that's the advantage of getting ClickFunnels through me. Not only will you use my affiliate link, it's no charge to you, but you get a 14-day free trial and some bonuses to help grow your business. All right. So now I'm going to come over here to settings. And then in the head tracking code, I'm going to scroll all the way down and paste that bad boy. I'm going to hit save. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm praying this works. Because if this doesn't work, then I'm going to have to push pause and go through and troubleshoot it, which I don't really have the time to be doing right now. So let's see. Did anything come up? Nothing's came up. Oh, there we go. Yes. I love it when the plan works, man. So look at that. That's awesome. Here is your rigid headline. Click here to change it. So I'm going to change that headline to say something of the lines of, um, hey, thanks for stopping by. How can I help you? Right? And then they're going to click that. It's going to be real simple. I know this is going to bring all types of customers instead of trying to collect emails through a free report or something like that, uh, and send them an email in their inbox, which I am going to do somehow on this page. I'm going to provide something for free, a lead magnet, and collect that email address as well. But um, I'm going to be able to chat with the person if they have questions. So let's go ahead, hit send to messenger, see what happens. Thank you for reading our message. That's going to be a thank you thing. You would in messenger. And cool. The conversation is now brought over to the messenger inbox. So there's huge advantages to this. Some people just love to talk and text, or love to text and send stuff on Messenger rather than talk. And you're able to close on this. Every customer is different, all right? And you want to provide options for all of your different customers. So I'm glad I finally completed this because I've been trying to do this for about 2 weeks. All right, guys. Once again, please hit subscribe to this channel if you like this. Road to six figures with my photo booth, plus other things. Grow your small business. You can do it. You don't need anything else. Just use what's in your hand right now, guys. You can make it. All right. If you have any questions, please drop them down below in the comments. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Helps me with the algorithm. I'm trying to get at least 5,000 subscribers this year with this particular channel. Okay. Yes, I have multiple channels. I got a couple of hustles. But if you guys want help, if you want me to help in business consulting, you can also schedule calls with me, and I can see if I can help you get out of that rut and make some money online. All right, guys. We'll talk to y'all later.